So what we're looking at here today is a Hampton Bay Carriage House 1. I got this fan off of OfferUp for only $5, so pretty cheap. Uh, I'm not sure what the date on this is, but if I had to guess, it's either 1999 or 2000. Now, I've been wanting to find one of these for quite a long time now, because, well, I've always kind of liked how these looked, especially the white and brass ones. Now, almost everything you see on this fan is complete. The only things not original are the shades. It did come with them, but unfortunately, on the way home, one of them broke. I'll show you one of the shades real quick. And, it's kind of unfortunate because I actually kind of like these shades. So, yeah. So the shades you see on here are from the Hunter Whisperwood 2000. So, yeah, they're not as appealing as the original shades, but they'll do. Now, without further ado, I'm going to get to demonstrating the fan. Here's the light, and it does have a three-way setting, which I actually kind of like. And here's low. And as you may hear, it does have a buzz to it, so. But I mean, whatever. I've heard worse. Now here's medium. As you can hear, the buzzing got a lot worse, somewhat. And now for high. It's pushing some air. I will give it that. And there you have it. That is my Hampton Bay Carriage House 1, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.